We're hunting a bird. It's right there, over there. But we're not gonna kill. For real?
Yeah.
Wait, get over here. Come on.
Move me.
Hey, right here, right here. Hey, Devontae. You're out.
Could have had it.
Oh, hurry up.
Could have had that son of a F.
Oh, shoot. Watch out.
Where's Brian?
He's at work. Where is it?
Oh, I hate when he does that. My gun hits the clip.
Got it.
There you go. It's already caught.
No, it isn't.
Shut up.
All right, now.
Where is he?
Oh, here, come on. This way, this way. Let's go around. Hey, Devontae, run this side right here. Look.
I hit it.
Let me try. Hold the camera.
Wait. Let me get it. Let me do
Oh,
it
here,
one
let
more
me try.
time.
No, here, let me do it.
One more time.
No, let me hit it.
No,
Hold
one
it.
more time.
Just do it.
Ever. Swear, bro.
Go, get. Shut up.
You make it.
Shut up.
Shoot.
Come on. One's going by my back.
Shoot. Don't let him touch it.
It's gonna get a disease. Wait. Shoot! What? Let me see. Where's the bullet fell out. Let me see. There it is. Going. Hurry, man. Dude, get that one that's under the table. Hurry.
Shoot.
Just come on. You got it. I hit him.
I know.
All right, let's go.
Oh, shoot, man.
I dropped it.
Wait.
Wait, there's that one. Give me. Hurry. Shoot it. Just shoot it randomly. No. Got one.
Hurry. Dude, got my bag. Hurry.
For real?
Yeah.
Here.
It's walking.
What's over there?
Sharpshooter. Oh, 360, baby. Watch this. Put this on the camera.
Oh.
I know. Beast, where'd it go?
It's over here. Come on.
Yo, beast. Where'd it go?
Where'd it go? Is it in the tree?
I don't know, but that way in him. If I were in there. Did you see what I did, dude?
Where is it?
What the F? But that was beast mode.
Whenever I get my automatic, we can.
Don't do that. But that was beast. What if they showed it? Don't put this on YouTube.
I know.
Because then I get it showed. Hello? Dude, I was like, damn.
I got two
Imagine what if
BBs.
I hit that with when I did that.
Come in. I think. Oh, shoot.
There's one in chamber.
For real?
Yep, one in chamber.
We can't find these.